Alright people, welcome to Learn WordPress with Von. Today we'll be discussing on how to um, disable or how to prevent site owners, clients from deactivating plugins on your website. It's necessary because sometimes you create a site for a client and without knowing, the client deactivates a plugin that is needed by the site and the site breaks down. So to prevent that from happening at all, there is a means of deactivating that functionality. To explain, if you go to plugins, uh, there is a deactivate section. There's a deactivate section. So once you click on deactivate and deactivate, that function goes off of the site. So some clients who are not tech savvy would unknowingly do that, and then their site breaks off. So we don't want to give them that ability to be able to deactivate plugins. So what do? We can do that using a plugin called the deactivate disable plugin deactivation rather. Disable plugin deactivation. So once we go to plugin and add new, then you type in disable plugin deactivation. Then you wait for the plugin to appear. Once it appears, you click on, which is this, you click on install now. Install now, it's installing, and then you go to activate. Yep. Now once it's activated, we can click on settings, plugin deactivation settings. You click on it. Normally it comes disabled. So you have to activate disable plugin deactivation. Yeah, you enable it because you want to disable the clients being able to deactivate plugins. Disable plugin activation, the client would also be unable to activate plugins. And disable plugin deletion, the client won't be able to delete his plugin or her plugin. Normally I would say you should leave plugin updates. It's good for plugins for security reasons, that plugins can update themselves without the client messing around with it. So that's that about that. uh, once we click on save changes, yeah, and then we visit the plugin page, which is plugins, you'd see that the ability to activate the plugins is no longer here. It's impossible to activate a plugin. Had it been there was an update, because of we allowed that, then there will be an update section here for the client to click on it and update his plugin. That's the only thing your client can do. So this is a nice way, a fine way of protecting your clients from themselves. Yes, of course you can always go back and deactivate that, disable, and then save changes. And then once you visit your installed plugins, normally you now have the activation or deactivate and all the other settings. And this is all we have to take in this part. Hopefully you've been able to know how to prevent your clients from deactivating plugins on your website. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video. Also, kindly subscribe. I need your subscriptions. Thanks.